Working from home may soon be the new normal if the government pursues a suggestion made this week. Some employers argue homework is the future, but one health expert disagrees. Giovanni Dennis explains.
This is not sending home people to do nothing, because I know that some people are looking for a holiday.
A light moment as the Prime Minister said some public sector workers should start working from home. He urged private companies to do the same where possible. But although COVID-19 forced that directive, some employers believe working from home should become the norm locally. Richard Pandoe is president of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Employers Association. For him, less traffic is one immediate benefit.
Jamaica productivity has been declining for over 30 years. I mean, that's one of our biggest impact on why our cost base is so expensive. I think it's time that we embrace technology, embrace a better way of doing things. Everybody upon the road, same time of the morning, I come work, spending 2 hours, hour and a half in traffic, then repeat the same process at lunchtime and then repeat the same process to go home, does not make sense.
A 2017 report by the International Labour Organization (ILO) notes that working from home can improve work-life balance, reduce commuting time, and boost productivity. But consultant psychiatrist Dr. Agri Irons argues differently.
If you work entirely from home, you lose the socialization that takes place in the workplace that can also generate the teamwork that generates productivity.
Dr. Irons insists time in traffic can be used to read and do other work. For him, the problem plaguing many Jamaicans is poor time management.
It's not the commute that's the problem, it's what you do with your time. So the whole business of time management is what is important in the whole productivity experiment. Whether you're at home or at work, you still have to manage your time properly.
Richard Pandoe argues Jamaica needs to use technology better.
We have not embraced technology, we have not embraced innovation in where we do business. And this is an opportunity. Coronavirus, something that we don't want, but it has shown us that we have to find a better way of doing things.
Research compiled by Global Workplace Analytics shows 2/3 of people want to work from home. And 80% of employees consider telework, that is, working outside the office, a job perk. But for this perk to be useful, Dr. Irons says people will have to be disciplined.
If you're going to work from home, you have to create a workplace within your home so that your body says when you're in that place, it's time to work. But if you're going to sit on your bed and work, you're going to get confused because bedrooms are for sleep and other activities.
The 2017 ILO report concedes that working from home can also potentially result in longer working hours, higher work intensity, and work-home interference. But as some Jamaicans adjust to working from home because of COVID-19, a paradigm shift may be near.
It is probably something that we will have to reflect on in a very serious way, because that might very well be the way of the future.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.